Good morning! And bagong gising. It's Tuesday and walang pasok. I have to finish a lot of schoolwork. Especially for one of the courses. Medyo mahaba. And feeling ko wala pa ako sa kalahati. And yeah. Wala pa ako sa kalahati activity kasi pinuputol ko lang din siya. It's now 8 a.m. Magka-coffee. Wednesday, third day of the week and second day na may class. Ayan. Maaga na ulit yung ng araw. Hindi na siya ganun kalamig, pero the temperature is still negative. Kahapon, the temperature was ano nga ba? Forgot. Kahapon maaraw, 8 yata siya. Oo, tama. Positive 8 yung feels like niya and 7 yung actual. So, I assume ganun din ngayon. Pero I just noticed kapag papasok na or the day na may pasok ako, saka naman bumababa yung temperature. And sobrang unpredictable ng weather. And sobrang lamig. Parang hindi kayang nasa labas yung kamay ko. Ayan, so I had my coffee while walking from Teams up until here. Na-realize ko 3 months na pala ako dito sa Canada. I arrived last December 25. So January, February, March. 3 months na ako. Pero hindi pa rin naman ako full adjusted. Siguro it will take a year or 2. Depende sa kung ano gusto ko i-adjust. For the weather, somehow, yes. I think 70%. Because if to compare from the day that I arrived here in Canada, hindi pa ako marunong, or I mean, hindi ko pa alam yung layering sa clothes. Ayan. What's the proper attire in going out? Kapag negative, kapag nag-positive, pero feels like, ayan. So, nakaka 3 months na ako. And then, yeah, siguro I'll discuss more about my adjustments and my arrival here in Canada on my next few vlogs kasi malapit na kasi ako sa school. So, hindi na siya mababanggit isa-isa. So, see you around!
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change.
Ayan, kanina umuulan. Ngayon nagsusnow. I know, kanina umaaraw, and then umuulan, tapos ngayon nagsusnow. Hindi ko sure kung ulan, snowstorm, or hailstorm. Masakit siya sa ulo, pumatak. See? Oh, there you go. Ayan, no. Hindi ko alam kung anong klase siya, pero isa lang ang confirm. Nababasa ako and ang lamig. Ano to? Sabi kanina, rainfall around 1 to 2:30. So paglabas ko ng school, ayun nga, medyo maambon. Bumiyahe lang ako ng almost 30 minutes. Ito na inaabutan ko. Hindi ko alam. Unpredictable talaga ng weather dito sa Canada. Especially nga dito sa Ontario. So ito hindi ko alam kung snow. Pero para akong binabato ng ano eh. Yellow. See? Ako siya yellow. Well, actually, hindi parang yellow yata talaga to. Kasi, alam mo na to. Hindi ako makatakbo. Hindi ako makalakad ng mabilis. Kasi, basa yung daan. Ayan. Diba? Nakapants lang ako, naka-sneakers. Kasi nga, wala naman ang snow spring na nga eh. Expect.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in the car, let me see who you are, who you really are. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if